how do you overcome the fear. So there are two types of fear, as I told you. The first is fear of public, where you have fear of being judged. So there are some things you need to remember, guys. Remember this one thing, that everyone in that crowd, जो आपके सामने खड़ा है, might be 10 people, might be 100, might be 1,000, has themselves made mistakes too. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ही mistake कर रहे हो. No one is God here. Everyone is human. Remember this thing, everyone make mistakes. So never like shy away from making mistakes. It's fine, because only when you make mistakes you can grow, you can improve. Because आप कुछ गलत करोगे तभी आप improve कर सकते हो. So this is the first thing you need to remember, that everyone around us makes mistakes. It is not a crime to make a mistake. It is fine. Second is, you are doing it for yourself, and be a bit selfish. So you aren't doing it for someone else. You are doing it so that you improve your public speaking. You are doing it so that you overcome your fear. जो हम बोलते हैं ना कि डर के आगे जीत है टाइप्स. So आप इसलिए कर रहे हो कि आप better हो सको. You are doing it for yourself. So be a bit selfish. Instead of thinking about people around you, try and think about yourself. That will help you a lot. Next is practice in front of your family. So ideally, your family is someone who supports you through thick and thin. So before you go to speak in front of a huge crowd, try and practice in front of your family. It will be extremely helpful. So whatever speech you've made ready, आपको जो भी बोलना है, आप try करो. Maybe mirror के सामने बोलने का try करो, या फिर you try and speak in front of people who love you or who care about you, and they will give you genuine feedback. It is fine. So you can improve, you can be better, so that when you go in front of the public, you are much more confident about the content you have. And fourth is, remember this one very important thing which I have learned as a teacher. Only I know when I goof up. The class never knows. So when I'm teaching my students, maybe in whichever college I'm teaching, if I make a mistake now at one point of time, I know I've made a mistake, but the class does not know. If I show it on my face that I made a mistake, automatically the class would start losing confidence in me. So I need to be very focused and not show those emotions in front of my face that, oh, I made a mistake, I've goofed up. Instead, I need to be calm and then just find a way out and tell them, maybe after 2 minutes, that, oh, this is not how it is done. This is the other way of, there are a lot of ways to just uh, come out of goof ups. So, but the only wrong way is to show it on your face, because when you show it on your face, automatically the crowd starts losing confidence in you, and that's when you start fear being judged. So it is fine if you goof up. चलेगा, तुमको पता है और किसी को पता ही नहीं है कि you've goofed up. So that's how you try and overcome the fear of being judged. So remember this thing when I spoke about the goofing up part. So it says there are always three speeches for every one you actually gave. That एक आप speech देते हो उसके लिए तीन speeches होती है. The one you practiced, the one you gave, and the one you wished you gave. So the way you practice, it's never the same when it comes to giving the speech. And once you give the speech, you feel, oh no, I could have done this better. I could have done that better. So the one you practice is always different than the one you gave, and the one you wish to give. कि काश मैं ऐसा देता, काश मैं वैसा देता. It is fine. You will never have a perfect speech. However good the speech is, it could have been better. So if you are making a mistake, it's okay. Like it's not necessary कि आपने जो practice किया है, जो word सोचने का बोला है, वो ही आप बोलोगे. आप कुछ अलग भी बोल सकते हो, कुछ मिस्टेक कर सकते हो. Till the time you don't show it on your face, the crowd won't come to know, and the crowd will be confident about you, and they'll clap for you, they'll hoot for you, they'll do everything. But if they see underconfidence, that's when the issue comes and you start fearing of being judged. So if you want to just overcome the fear, remember these things, that everyone around you is making mistake. You're doing it for yourself and not for anyone else. You're doing it because you want to improve. You want to become a better speaker. That's why you're doing it. Keep on practicing. Automatically, when you practice in front of 5 people, 7 people, 10 people, that is your family, your friends, that fear of being judged starts going away. And the last thing is, only you know it when you've goofed up. No one else knows it. So don't show it to people that you've goofed up. So this is the way you can overcome the fear, ideally, of being judged. The next part is conquering the fear of speaking. That काफी लोग को बोलने से डर लगता है. They are not that confident while talking about any specific topic. Maybe they feel they don't convince well or can't communicate well. So how do you get over that fear? How do you conquer that fear? So the first way of doing that is you use simpler words. So instead of putting in big words from the vocabulary, trying to become someone like Shashi Tharoor who uses amazing words. Don't do that. Use simpler words because they will make you confident. You can speak them easily. If you try and remember or try and I can say ratify big words, fancy words, the probability of you forgetting them is very high, because of which you will start fumbling, and then you'll fear speaking also. So use simpler word, it's fine. Very important thing, guys. Irrespective of the language, connecting to the crowd matters. आप जो भी भाषा में बोलो. So this is a bit different from maybe what is explained to students in schools when they go for elocutions, because elocutions are a specific language elocutions. But when you go in the public life, when you go in the practical life, in the real world, what matters is connecting to the crowd. Whatever language you connect in, it's completely fine. So ऐसा नहीं है कि oh, you feel that my English is weak, I can't talk well, or I can't be a good public speaker. That's wrong. There are so many people who are amazing public speakers but still can't talk or still can't pronounce 5 words properly in English. It is fine. You need to connect to the crowd. That is important. So even if your language is weak, up mix karo. The way I am right now saying, I'm speaking a bit in English, I'm speaking a bit in Hindi. It is fine. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे इंग्लिश में ही बोलना है. Even if I'm talking in Hindi, you all can understand that is more important. I'm connecting to the crowd. I'm connecting to my audience. So irrespective of the language, you can connect to the people. So even if your language is a bit weak, even if your vocabulary is a bit weak, it is fine. Chalega. You can mix match languages till the time the crowd or the audience is understanding you. Third is fill your content with self-made examples. So when you are talking, when you have self-made examples, you don't need to remember stuff. आपको याद पहले से नहीं रखना पड़ता है. Because जो self-made examples हैं, मतलब what maybe it's about your life, about your friend's life, about your parents' life, or someone who you know, उनसे कोई आपने examples लिए हैं, तो वो situations आपको पहले से पता है. You know them well in hand, because of which you can easily convey those examples. The way I said that how did I become a good public speaker? Through the practice of my college festival and then teaching in colleges and classrooms and taking seminars and webinars. I've been taking them since a long time. So it kept on improving, and because it was my personal private experience, I didn't need to write it down and remember it. So automatically जितना मुझे याद रखना है of my speech वो कम हो जाता है. So fill your content with self-made examples of experiences. Next is practice in front of the mirror. So whenever you want to practice, आप mirror के सामने देखो कि आप कैसे बोल रहे हो. You will understand whether you're going right, you're going wrong, and keep on practicing. Keep on practicing. It will just keep on improving slowly. So if you fear speaking, you try and practice as much as possible in front of the mirror. Last thing and very important, speak from the heart. Like start talking about topics or start speaking about topics which matter to you. So instead of talking about something which you don't believe in yourself, talk about topics which you believe in. If you have a specific belief towards a culture, towards a political party, towards a sport, towards a religion, आप पहले उससे ट्राई करो. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप फुटबॉल फॉलो करते हो और आप बहुत ही बड़े मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के फैन हो, तो ट्राई एंड गिव अ 2 minute स्पीच ऑन मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड. So because what will happen when you talk about that thing now, you will be talking from your heart. Everything will come in from inside, and automatically your speech becomes better. Automatically, what you talk makes much more sense. So try and speak from the heart. I'm talking about how do you conquer the fear. ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरी लाइफ आपको यही बोलना है. At a lot of times, I have to talk about things which I don't believe in. Maybe in elocutions, maybe in debates, when I have to take sides. Maybe you don't believe in that side, but you still have to speak about that. So आगे जाके तो करना पड़ेगा. But to conquer the fear, if you fear speaking, first start with speaking about things you believe in, things which matter to you, which will come from the heart. So automatically you will be good at it, and you will start getting confident about yourself कि नहीं मैं बोल सकता हूँ, मैं अच्छी तरह से बोल सकता हूँ. So ये सारी चीज भी बहुत ही important है. So that's how you conquer the fears. This is about conquering the fear of being judged, that is conquering the fear of public, and this is about conquering the fear of speaking. कि अगर आप बोल नहीं पा रहे हो तो आप कैसे करोगे.